So the second day, yeah, second was good. I woke up late-ish. I woke up at 10, I think. Yeah, so I got ready by 11. I went to a cafe. There's a cafe down. I forgot its name. It's People Art something. So I had the English breakfast. It was good. English breakfast was good. So yeah, and then I went down. I had to walk 2.5 kilometers to the mall road. I got my cycle, and dude, so I went to Nehru Kund. So Nehru Kund, the it's famous for its water. So Nehru is after Jawaharlal Nehru, and Kund means water something, right? So I went over there. So it's basically famous because the water that comes from the top of the mountain, it comes down, and there's a small place where the water keeps dripping, it keeps coming. There's a flow of water, and then you can go over there, you can have the water. So the water, the people over here, the local people claim that it can cure all diseases, and it comes from the mountain, right? So it passes all the ayurvedic jari booty roots and everything, and then comes down. So it's through that route. So it's a very pure form of water, and it's mineral rich, right? So I had it. So I took some water, I filled it in a bottle, and I drank also. So it was good. And then after that, there was a bridge. It was a really thin bridge. Like, you can either walk on it or you can drive on this. Only, like, it's a two-way bridge, but it's so thin that it's one way. So the people on the other side have to wait until the car from one side exits. So I went to it. It was good. And then all right. So while getting the cycle, the guy told, all right, yes. Oh fuck, I forgot. Huh. So I went to Nerukund with my cycle. So it was difficult. Like, I was going up and I had to walk, man, because it was a very difficult task. Uphill, like 5 kilometers uphill is difficult. So I walked half the route, and then, dude, also I met a guy in the cafe. Not a cafe, it was a small place. So I stopped for some Maggie. Like, the Maggie here is really good. I mean, maybe because of the cold, it feels really good. So I stopped over there and I met this old guy. So I just asked him, "आप कहाँ से हो?" And what he replied was shocking. He said, "ये बस भगवान को पता है हम कहाँ से हैं." So man, dude, I didn't get it right. So he said, हमारे मनुष्य के 1000 जन्म होते हैं, और 1000 जन्म के बाद वो मिट्टी में मिल जाता है. तो I kind of felt funny, but then ठीक है, मतलब people believe different things, right? So cool. I was talking to him, and then he told me that he fought in the Kargil war against Pakistan. He's seen the Bangladesh partition. He was a old guy. He's seen the Bangladesh partition. He had some contribution. He was against partition and everything, he told me. And then what else? Yeah, he was old, and then he told me about Nehru Kund, about why the water is famous, and then he told me about a few more places. I had a nice talk with him, funny guy. And then, yeah, that's it. So after the guy left, the people from the place where I was eating, they told me he's a very rich guy, like, and but he's very scared to spend, and he stays in the mountain because he believes he belongs to the mountains. So that was nice. And then while coming back, I came from a different route. So while going, I went through the main highway, but when I was coming back, I came from the. Dude, my camera battery is low. Let me check. Yes, okay, cannot check. Yeah, so while coming back, I came from through the mountains. Dude, fuck, priceless, man. It was priceless. The road was thin, covered with snow, and I was cycling. Fuck, man, loved. I want it again. If you ever come to Manali, bro, you should get a cycle and you should come from that part. So it was fun. And then, so this only took a lot of time, and then I went to this place, Sunshine Cafe. I had the massive chicken shih tzuzen something. So it was really good. It was chicken with mushroom, white sauce, vegetables, french fries. It was really good filling. So I couldn't finish it. So I came back to my place. So I went up to the cafe again. I played some FIFA. That's it. I played FIFA. So it was a nice cycle trip. Yeah, so and then I came back. I was retired by 10 11. I slept. So second day was really good. Walked a lot, cycled a lot, met people. I had food, good food. Yeah, and played FIFA. That's it.